हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका एक और शानदार वीडियो में। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं कुछ ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट जो कि बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही इजी है बनाना। बट हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट दिस, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड चेक दिस। तो आई वाज एबल टू क्रिएट दिस टेस्ट, ओके, हाउ आई कैन क्रिएट. So the thing here, the problem that I notice, I am not able to understand the meaning of these colorful dots on the top of these cards. Basically, to me, those dots are serving no purpose, so I will not be creating that. However, I will be creating these like images along with the name and the CTA buttons the way I have tried here. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is either we can simply go ahead, we can simply search for UI Faces plugin, and then we can take any of the one that you like, maybe this one. Okay, you just have to click and then you will get the image inside your Figma file. Okay, so you can see by default the corner radius is like 32 pixel, so we will simply be we can or that is one thing. However, I will check the size of the circle that I have chosen, which is 64. So the first thing that we would do is 64. Now you can see this is coming quite good. The corners are not anymore needed and there are all rounded corner. All right, it's appearing in the circle. Now the next thing that you need to do is type your name. This is my name, so what I will do, I will simply press T, or you can click here on your artboard, anywhere outside board or on this page that is there in your Figma. You just have to type your Akhilesh Maurya, and then control A दबा के control all, and then press control B. Right, so this will be happening like this. Maybe you don't have to center align it, you just have to press shift A. You can see this is your frame and this is into auto layout. You just have to click 8 pixel. Okay, 8 pixel is enough because the same thing I have done there. Now simply click on your text layer and then press Ctrl D. It will get duplicated. Now click on this and type your tab, maybe connect again, Ctrl all and then Ctrl B. ये unbold हो जाएगा. Okay, and then the font size is 12, which is kind of fine for now, and this we can go ahead with 12 again. So I am not keeping the font sizes, guys, that you can choose always. Like to me, the 16 size is the like normal size. You can always go ahead with, and then we can keep the CT like this because we are going to add some kind of background to it. So let's say 8 and 8, and fill some color, maybe any color you want. I will be going ahead with this. So here is the color code that you will be able to see, right? And then maybe again put the color, the corners maybe like go this 100% corner rounded, and then press 16 maybe. Yeah, and then go ahead here and then fill container, and this make it center align. So this is already started to look a lot better now. I will again select the text layer and then press okay. So now what we need to do is we just have to keep it like this maybe. Okay, now add extra frame. Okay, just like this, or to add some white color box. Okay, so what I will do, I can again go ahead and then I will go click on this fill button. As you can see, you just have to change the color, and then maybe 16 and 16. So this is again 16. All right, so this is what you can do. Why I am doing this, maybe if you can see, if I'm like enlarging the container, the things are kind of auto adjusting, but when I'm bringing it down, the size of the container is that my name is not adjusting. Okay, so click on your name again and then press. So technically this should not be happening like this. Okay, so if I try to, maybe let's see what happens now. Okay, her content, maybe on her content this is kind of appearing good, but let me check here what is happening. The same problem we are facing here as well. Okay, so the thing here is that it should go to second line maybe. So why this is not happening, let me fix it. maybe fill container. Okay, okay, so okay, so my name should be the thing, right? So it should go like this. I don't know guys why I'm not able to fix it, but I'm definitely in the next video I will definitely going to find a solution and fix it. However, if you know the solution, don't forget to comment in the comment section. I will definitely look forward and name you in my upcoming video. So I hope you like the video so far, and I know we ended up something that I was not able to fix now, but I will definitely come up with the solution. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you.